Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Thursday, August 24th, 2023. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. We want to get our subscribers caught up with the wave count and what we sent out to our newsletter subscribers last night and today. Let's first look at the US 10-year because I got an alternate count in blue here I wanted to show you guys, where we have a 1 up, 2 down. That's the same. 3 up extends to here where this previous wave 1 was. There's a 4 and there's a 5. If that is the right count and it's alternate now, then there's the retracements of 382. That would be a completed 5-wave pattern. We'd get a 2 down after the 1 up with a circle and then a huge 3 up. Okay, so if that is the count, the 382 is 4.12%. The 50% retracement is a 4.045, and the 618 is a 3.970%. We'll see how this plays out. As you can see, this arrow or this line up here, this would be a 1, this would be a 2. For the primary count in black, this low would have to hold. It's testing it right now. If that does hold, there's our upside targets. You can see a 4.433 for the 1.00, and I think the rest are legible there. So we'll see how that plays out. A break below here and it brings these targets in red, which I just mentioned, into play. Otherwise, if this low holds, then there's the upside target. So either way, rates are going higher. It's either sooner or a little bit later than sooner. Okay, let's get you guys caught up here with what we put out. The pre-market this morning actually was put out, let me see, late last night. 11:33 p.m. last night. We saw that move up and we're like, this move up doesn't look like a 4, it looks like a 2. So here's our updated wave count with 1 down here, and this is 2 up here. I want to show you guys my reasoning here. 4th wave didn't look like a long and sideways correction. It looked more like a sharp 2nd wave. It also violated the price territory of wave 1. That was when it was a 4 up. Therefore, we updated the wave count. It's much cleaner. If it walks like a duck, talks like a duck, it's a duck. So this is the 2nd wave. That's what we determined yesterday after that previous labeling was violated. Okay, so we put this out. There's our targets. Remain in, by the way, remain in sell rally mode, and that gap at 42.98 is looming larger and larger. Okay, so let's put that away and let's get into our ES. There we go. This is hourly. This is the updated wave count. The 2nd wave retrace was a very almost perfect 786. Here's where 3 is now. It's a perfect 1.618 multiple of 1. That puts 5 down here, and the larger degree wave 1 with a circle at that 43.50 low. There's that wave 2 up. C equaled A at 44.84. We put out last night. It hit within a point and a half at 44.85, and just under the 50% retrace. It did attain the 382 retrace. Okay. Here's our. Those were our wave 2 targets. That was the actual. This sure looks, as much as this looks like a 2nd wave and not a 4th. This looks like a 3rd wave, almost straight down drop. Here's our targets, and 1-to-1 is a 42.01. Now keep in mind, this 1st wave went from July 27th to August 18th, so that is 1804, 22 days, 22 Fibonacci 21 plus 1 days to evolve. So this 3rd wave isn't going to happen in 1 day or overnight, but they are sharp and swift. So it could be bigger. Okay, let's get, shorter in length. Sorry. We're trading, publishing reports, and trying to get a YouTube video all here at the same time. So let's go to the morning report this morning. Let's get rid of that. Okay, here is wave 2 up complete, wave 3 down in play. Again, that's the same thing I just showed you guys. Wave 2 up appears complete there. Okay, wave down, wave 1 down, wave 2 up at that high. There were the targets. They were hit right near there. We allow for a move up to the higher targets, but by the looks of this decline, it seems improbable. So we're going to put that out there. It sure looks like a third wave down. There's the third wave down targets in writing. Move below the wave 1 low validates that wave 3 is in play. I don't know if we need much of that because it looks like it by the wave pattern. There's that open gap at 42.98. So we'll leave you guys with this. It's actually a little bit after 11:15 a.m. Eastern time as we record this. We'll see how this plays out. There's where that validation comes in, but this looks pretty much like validation with the wave pattern. It's always pattern, price, and in time in that order of priority. Wave pattern first, wave price second, and wave time third. And we'll do some timing here. We'll do a Fibonacci time spiral here because that was a perfect within 1 day of Fibonacci days for wave 1 down. Okay, and that's 23rd to the 24th. That's a 1 day, and that's a Fibonacci number too. Okay guys, wanted to get our YouTube subscribers caught up with the updated wave count as of last night when that 4 went above the 1. That told us that this was a 2. That with price pattern 1, we're like, oh, that doesn't look like a 4. Price 2 verified it. So here we are. Okay, and until next time, take care everyone.